Day 1. A tiny budgie chick, pink, fragile, and completely dependent. Day 6. Growing fast with tiny feather pins starting to appear. Day 10. Stronger now, eyes slowly opening, feathers coming in. Day 15. Almost fluffy, wide-eyed, and finally looking like a parrot. Day 17. Colors begin to show as it explores the nest. Day 20. A tiny parrot in the making, feathers full and bright. Day 25. Standing tall, flapping wings, preparing to fly. Day 30. Fully feathered, confident, and ready to start life on its own.